Quan Production.
Chopper season. Man, this shit crazy, man. Free the squad. Escobar. Hey, say I'd rather get this weed money, but trap money make these young niggas change on you. But can't be around niggas, can't spray for me. A lot of niggas, they be hating, wishing death on me. But I'm only 22, but feel like big homie. But I live this lifestyle like I'm rich homie. How I'm feeling right now, nobody got shit on me. Me and Streets in that Malibu with the shit on us. I remember seeing my niggas caught with them blues. Don't ask me how it happened, cause it made the news. But I'm trying to get a bag and put some posters too. Why you think we keep mad? Cause niggas killing too. But I had to learn the streets like I'm back in school. That's crazy in school, boy, I act a fool. But I couldn't pay attention to these other dudes. Niggas get caught, go to court, and now they snitching too. But I had to let go of these bitches too, cause they telling me some shit I ain't wanna do. But I had to play the streets like a fucking game. But I don't gang bang, but I got a gang. But I roll with the same niggas, I never change. But my dad told me you need to change your ways. So I gotta get this money as my motivation. Then get this bag gone, ain't no hesitation. No loan, just taught me in the game. Boy, in the streets, boy, you gotta get this money. Gotta get this money, ain't no nigga really waiting on no handout. It's when niggas looking at you funny. Looking at you funny. No loan, just taught me the game. Boy, in the streets, boy, you can't be a dummy. Can't be a dummy. No loan, just taught me in the game. Boy, in the streets, boy, you gotta get this money. Mama died when I was 5, I seen a lot of shit. So I'm praying for the blessings that I'm living in. But it's not no S&I, but I handle biz. Cause I know that this money know it's flowing in. But I'm fucking all these hoes like back to back. So I'm feeling like Drake is coming back to back. I remember being broken, now I'm touching stacks. Hello?
What up, where you at?
I'm on the road right now.
I need you to grab this little bag for me.
Oh shit, bet.
As soon as you get back, man, I need you to pick it up.
Alright, bet.
Alright.
No loan, just taught me in the game. Boy, in the streets, boy, you gotta get this money. Gotta get this money, ain't no nigga really waiting on no handout. It's when niggas looking at you funny. Looking at you funny. No loan, just taught me the game. Boy, in the streets, boy, you can't be a dummy.